Hey everyone, Cody here back with another designer tutorial. For this video, we'll be covering everything about graphics in Protocase Designer. The graphics library allows you to add graphics such as a microphone, recycle or caution symbols, or flags to your enclosure. To begin, make sure that you choose the graphics type that meets your needs. You can do so now by going into your preferences. In the Preferences dialog, you'll need to go to the Editor Settings tab and select your preferred graphics type. By default, Designer will prompt you to select your preferred graphics type if this option was set to Ask anytime you add a graphic into a face. By setting the preferred graphics type in our preferences, we won't see that prompt while editing. Once you've selected your graphics type, click Finish. Now it's time to choose the graphic you want to add into your enclosure. First, let's select the face that we want to edit. To open the graphics library in Protocase Designer, click on the drop-down box under Library in the top right corner. Select Graphics and press Go. Here you will come across various types of common graphics. You can double-click on any of the categories to expand the list and see all of the options. Once you know which symbol you want to use, select it from the list and click the Place This Item button to move the graphic to the position you'd like it to be placed, and then left-click in the face for it to be placed. Protocase Designer gives you the option to customize its origin and rotation if required. You can also resize the symbol by dragging the corners, and if your symbol is just one color in nature, you have the option to edit the color as well. On the other hand, certain graphics in the library may contain many colors, so their color cannot be modified. That's it for the graphics library, but what if you want to create your own custom graphic? You can do so by selecting the graphic type from the Draw options, and then select the shape you want. From here, it's the same as any feature such as drawing a cutout. Click and drag your mouse to create your graphic. You can then further customize it using the Properties panel on the right side, such as the color and the option to fill the graphic or leave it as an outline. Now, let's add some text to our face by selecting the Text Draw option under Graphics. Just click in the face where you want the text to go and start typing. To edit the text after it has been placed, you can do so by editing the text property on the right. Here you can also change your font options and color. During this entire process, you also have the option to change between digital print and silkscreen. You can find the option to do this in the status bar along the bottom. Once you're happy with your graphic, click on Save. Now with the 3D view, you can see the graphics you've just placed on your enclosure in all its glory. That's it for graphics in Protocase Designer. Thanks for watching.